Hello everyone, it is I, the Tiger 2 Enjoyer. It's been a while since I last recorded, uh, but I'm back and gonna make videos again. And today we're gonna make a video on the Loza Sherman. It is a tier 6 Soviet, um, medium tank that is, well, it's a Russian Sherman, just an up tier. What else could you say? I mean, it does have the same turret as the M1 M4A3A, but other than that, it's just a Sherman. What else could you say? Um, it deals 160 damage per shot, and actually has a really quick reload time of only 4 seconds. Now, I would run Kali, but uh, it kinda has a good pen, to be honest. It has quite good pen, especially with the Pramo. Um, Other than that, it is really good when mobile. It's a really mobile medium tank. 50 kph on its max speed. Other than that, its armor is relatively weak, but it's not, well, weak enough to get slapped with AG. Uh, but, so yeah, today we're going to be playing a few matches in the Loza. Uh, so yeah, we're just going to wait really awkwardly for a match to start. And if you're going to wonder how'd I get Loza Sherman or other premiums, well, I got it from either, you can get it from either collect them all crates or uh, mystery crates. And we're just gonna wait really awkwardly for us to match to start. And we're at dead rail, slight down tier. There's a KV that kind of scares me, and there's a KV1 and a T25. I'm kind of scared for the KV since I think it has enough HE damage. But so you know what? We're gonna push directly towards C with our AMX friend, and uh, we're just gonna push directly towards C. So, if I were to be honest, this is like, yep, the poodle is spotted. Is bullying the poodle. He's really on low health now. You know, I think it's time that I make a push. Oh, what is wrong with my aim? Yeah, we're gonna lose. There's no way. There's no way we will win. Yeah, we're gonna lose. Straight off. Yeah, pretty bad first victory. Uh, their KV was AFK, so it was a defeat. The good part of having premium tanks is that even though you lose, you get a little bit more credits. And, yeah, did 1,000 damage. Yeah, as you can see, we got 4,000. Well, what I did that first. It's a defeat. I think this is the very first defeat I've gotten in a video, like right off the bat. You might be wondering why I'm not recording or not uploading that much videos. I mean, it's been like a week since my last video. It's because that like every time we record, it's just like after like I'm done recording, I check the capture and it the audio just gets corrupted. Like usually from the very first match. But I am planning to get a microphone, so I hope that doesn't make my audio corrupted. And we are at Desert Sands. Another little down tier. There's a Panzer IV Gargoyle and a Stritzbahn. Another KV and an Nashorn. Two Junus. There's also a VK-28. Kind of a terrifying lineup, to be honest. Since the KV and Gamelon, you know what? I'm I'm very much sorry to those medium players. I just don't want to die alone on that medium flank. I can't trust that medium flank. But I'm going towards base C. You know, it's surprising that I don't see any up tiers yet, like tier 7s. That T-25 is spamming. Ooh. Oh. Okay, that was KV, that's okay. It's a KV. It's very scary, to be honest. Ow. Yeah, I told you the KV would one-shot me. And what is our VK doing? You do know that you're exposed to the Juno, right? Apparently not. Is it just me or is it the VK's OPAF? Dude, come on, use Pramo. I think no one is using Pramo in this match. Can you tap him with HE? Never mind. Juno, you better angle. No, no, face in front. What the heck? I think he's like stock. I mean, no, he has no crew yet. Same with this Juno. No crew yet. I thought this was going to be a defeat. Apparently not. We won. So yeah, we did not that good damage. We did deal some HE damage on that Nashorn. We won eventually. 800 damage probably. No, we only did 600. Yeah, apparently I suck at. I'm not that good playing mediums since I'm mostly a heavy main, but since I got this, I'm gonna make a video on it because why the hell not? So yeah, it's I just we just like what played two down tiers and not we didn't even encounter a single up tier. I think this match might be an up tier or a full-on up tier because if it's a full-on up tier, I would do extremely bad because I can't play well in up tiers. I really, if it's always in a real full up tier, I always have to rely on other tier 7s or other up tier tanks that, so I kind of have to rely on them so I can like, Biggie can distract him so that I could like do some damage, few chunks of damage, or because if I were to face a tier 7 head on, there's nothing I could do. They have better armor, more HP, better damage than mine, maybe even mobility. It's been one whole minute. It's been an entire minute, no match yet. To be honest, I think Wargaming should fix the matchmaking. I can't enter a match. There's 39 tier 6 players. Just let me in a match. Please. I swear, if you have to wait here for another whole minute, you might wait here for an entire minute again. It's gonna be turning to 2 minutes. This is the first time I have to wait for 2 whole minutes just for me to enter a match. It's already 13 minutes. We still didn't enter a match. Wargaming should really fix this waiting time. It's not cool. Really. Something's telling me that either the next map will either be Normandy or Oasis Palms. And it might be a full up tier. And oh my goodness, another full minute. 3 minutes now. Finally. No, we're at Hileas. Complete down tier. No full up tier, but there is an SU-100Y, which is really terrifying because it has like a lot of damage. 460 if I'm correct. There's also an AC-4 Sentinel, Juno, the WZ-131. Other than that, it's a slight. Why did I had that XP booster installed? Um. Well, anyway, We're gonna go towards Sector 9. Literally, are there? The SU is just all alone. No, I think now that I think of it, the Loza Sherman kind of looks tall from the rear. Also, I'm lagging. Okay, what is here? Somebody is camping. I think I have a clear shot from here. If not, that'll just be a massive waste. Okay, that their SU is right over there. Also, the enemy is capping. Should I YOLO because I don't want to? How did that not pen? Well, at least broke his track. Oh, somebody better nerf that WZ. Its RNG is just so bad. Ow. Okay, yep, I'm all alone. That AC might push. We're losing HP. Wait a second. Why did I think that would work? Um. Yep, I am dead, and it's going to be a defeat yet again. Also, there, I thought that guy was alive. Apparently not. Well, it's a defeat anyway. Yeah, there's no way this Breton Panther will do any good. What are they doing to that at 8? Does this leopard seriously think he could fend the side? Well, for another defeat. We did even worse damage. So we had 2 defeats, 1 victory. Well, at least we managed to get into a match. So, it's 700 damage this time though. So yeah, that's the Loza Sherman. It's just a Russian Sherman at an up tier. It's just a Sherman up tier. What else can I say about this tank? Well, I might as well